Okay, so let's start with our first text animation. Let's create new composition. We will call it as main animation. Width is 1920, height is 180, frame rate is 30, duration is 30 seconds long, and background color is black color, and simply hit OK. Then go to choose grid and guide option and simply hit on title selection. Then we will select our text and you can choose whatever text you want. I'm going to choose Oswald font over here like this. I don't want any stroke and I'll choose white color for the text, and I'm going to type my text like motion design. Now let's select this text, press Ctrl Alt Home to align that anchor point to the center. Go to the Align tab, align it horizontally and then align it vertically. Press S for scaling option and scale it like this. Go to the character menu and we are going to decrease the distance between these alphabets like this. And select this text, press Ctrl Alt Home. Go to the Align tab, align it horizontally and then align it vertically. Now I'm gonna go in my rounded rectangle tool and I'm going to create one rounded rectangle, and this time I don't want any fill, so I'll delete this fill. And for the stroke I'm going to choose white color for the stroke. Select this, press Ctrl Alt Home, go to the Align tab, align it horizontally and then align it vertically, and increase the stroke width somewhere around like let's say 10. Okay, then go to the rectangle path, and roundness we are going to increase up till we will get complete roundness on both sides like this. Okay, now we will get something like this. Now select, go to the add menu and choose trim path. Go to the trim path and let's make this trim end value 80. Alt click on this offset and type time into 80. Okay, I mean time star 80 you need to type over there, and then minimize it. Also go inside this shape layer and stroke, and we are going to choose rounded cap instead of butt cap and line cap like this, so you will get something like this. Now after that let's minimize all of this inside this. Go to the start, go to the add menu and we will add trim path again. This is the second trim path, and go to the trim path and let's make this initial value 100 instead of 100. I'm going to choose 0. Create one keyframe, go few frame forward and then let's make this 100. Now select those keyframes and hit F9. Go to the graph editor, zoom in a little bit. Select this graph. By holding shift we will move one handle over here and then we will move one handle over here. So if you see, we will get this kind of animation. Okay, so this is the one stuff. Now let's select this and hit Ctrl D. Select this and change the color of this one to yellow. Why? We will discuss that later. And now change the color of the stroke to black, and stroke width I'm going to choose 5. So because of that, what we will get, if you zoom in a little bit, you will get this kind of line. And let's do one thing, select this shape layer over here. Let's change the stroke width of this shape layer to 50 and select this and change the stroke width to 10. So we will get this kind of proper stuff. So if you see this now, we are going to get something like this. So let's hide this stuff for now. Now select this text over here. We'll hide this one. We need to animate this text, so let's go to this start, go to the animate menu and we are going to bring the position, and let's bring down this position. Now go to the range selector over here, create one keyframe at the start, go to around 1.10 frames and let's make this value 100 like this. Then go to the add menu, go to the property and let's choose tracking amount and let's make this somewhere around like this, so you will get something like this. Okay, and again go to the start, go to the add menu, go to the property and let's make this opacity 0 initially, so if you see you will get something like this. Okay, now select those keyframes and hit F9. Go to the graph editor, select this graph, zoom in a little bit. By holding shift we will move one handle over here and then we will move one handle over here. So if you see this animation now, you will get something like this. Now select this layer and hit Ctrl D. Now select this topmost layer, go to the character menu. We are going to choose black color for the fill, and over in stroke I'm going to choose white color. Okay, like this, and change the stroke width to 1 pixels like this. Now select this and let's bring this downwards. Now what I want, this layer with black color stroke should start to animate first. So I'll take a distance of 5 frames and I'll select this first frame and I'll move this over here. So we will get something like this. Okay, so this is our first animation, and along with that I want the stroke animation should start to happen also continuously like this. Then after that, what we need to do over here, we need alternations for this. So for that we have this one color over here which we will set, keep it over here, and we will select this last layer. If you enable this icon, as you guys know, this is this text with the white stroke. I'll hit Ctrl D and I'll bring this at the top like this and change the color of this one to yellow also like this. Okay, and if you want you can select this and change the stroke width to 3 pixels also, or let's say 2 pixels. Okay, then after that let's do one thing. I'm gonna say bring my pen tool over here. I'll create one over here and one over here like this. Let's select this and press Ctrl Alt Home. Go to the align tab, align it horizontally and then align it vertically. Change the color of this one to white and press S, unlink this and change the scale up to somewhere around like this only. Okay, like this, or let's make this 45. I think this looks good. Okay, now select this and let's move this over here. Create one keyframe at scale, go few frame forward, create another keyframe, go to the start and let's make this 0. Select those keyframes and hit F9. Go to the graph editor, select this graph. By holding shift, move shift